attention, but I keep.
Just a little sneak peek, y'all. I am loving my space, absolutely loving it. I've been waiting such a long time. Room painted, the moldings up. Yes, now I did decide to leave the chocolate molding at the bottom. I love the way the lights pop, okay? That is so cute. So yeah, with the pink walls and the white trimming, I finally started moving some of my things back in, shelvings that I previously had. So yeah, I'm just going to decorate these up. I still have a lot to do. This is the table that I had my makeup on. I'm going to get that out of here. That's got to go. I still have some projects I got to get up. And this is a closet. And he's going to give me this one so I can have the whole room. My closet is in our bedroom right now. So yeah, we're probably going to do that closet thing later. I'm not sure. This is how it's going.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day.
Ooh, child, it's about time for that big reveal. I hope you guys are in love with it as much as I am. I have been working so hard, but as you can see through the video, my hubby is the real MVP. I mean, he got this room together. I really appreciate him for that. But I wanted to tell you, I did some DIYs that are super cute. And some of them are refurbished things that we've already had, and I just kind of added to it. Exhibit A. Baby, look how my picture turned out. This picture is an older picture my husband had of New York, and it was just black and white. But you know, my walls are pink. So yeah, he suggested that I get these stones and add to it on the bridge. Look how pretty that came out, you guys. I am super excited, and you'll see how I do have some other black things in here that really kind of work with this. But yeah, you'll see that in the reveal. But this is one of the DIYs I wanted to show you, and I'm absolutely loving the way it turned out. Ooh, baby, I'm in love with this one too. Look at that. Okay, I found this one at Dollar General. Y'all, we have went to Ross, TJ Maxx, Target. We have been everywhere looking for a simple picture to go in this little corner. I mean, everybody was out of pictures. They said that they haven't gotten any shipments. So the picture was basically just the green and the beige and the gold. I added the pink stones, the same as the other stones from my other picture. And this is how it turned out. I'm in love with it. I ordered the flowers from Amazon. There were several stems of flowers, so I just put them into this little bowl that I already had that my mother-in-law had given me, and I think it turned out so pretty. This is the other DIY. I also have one more to show you. So these are the other flowers from that same grouping. I saw this color, and it's the perfect color for my accent. So I just picked this tubing up, and I said the base is clear, so let me just put it in there. And I really like the way it turned out, just to add that extra pop of color. I think it was beautiful, and I really didn't spend much money at all.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no Creflo dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, not no Creflo dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, not no Creflo dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.
So I don't really have everything set up in my makeup area, but I have always wanted to have an area with the lights. I also have a couple of mirrors that I'll probably put up here as well. But just to show you what I have set up so far, this is the main drawer that I have my palettes here, blush. These are my primers, powders, like I said, any kind of palettes there. And I did order some organization kits. They're from Amazon. And here are the eyeliners, brows. This is brows. This is lashes. And this is highlighters. And those are eyeliners in the back. And these are lashes. I only like to wear the lashes that are magnetic. It's just so much easier. But yeah, these are my magnetic lashes. And since everything is white, I have to keep some kind of white in here to keep everything clean. But it has 3 drawers. Actually, it has 4 drawers. There's one, the long one, and then there's 3 here. And yep, so I just have everything kind of organized. Just got this all set up. And yeah, I really do like it. It really does help save space. And as you guys can see over here, I'm going to be storing my perfumes. I have a lot more I haven't put out here yet, but these are my perfumes and these are my body sprays. I have so much stuff, y'all. I haven't even got a chance to get it all together, but yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely. And here are my nail polishes. I think this is so cute. I love the iridescent. It has the blue and the pinks, and yeah, just really, really pretty. So on this side, I have candles, any kind of wax melts, and these are the plug-ins from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, just notebooks, and I really like this here. This is my refrigerator that I keep my little goodies in for skincare. And yeah, love this. And it's at my arm's reach from my makeup area, which I really like too. Oh, and I didn't tell you, for the makeup area, has this little light here you can turn on and off. So yeah, it's really nice. My facial steamer, just all of my little equipment. And these are my hair products here. So it's just convenient. I just fixed everything where it's really convenient to me. There's my side lamp for relaxation. But yes, you guys have got to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, because I'm in love with it. You have to let me know. So next up, I want to share with you guys about this ottoman. Oh y'all, it is super nice. It's not only an ottoman, you can also turn it into a chair. I will show you. You just raise the back like that. Put the pillow, and you can just sit down and chill out. You can relax and watch TV while you're sitting up. Or I also thought about this. I could just take my chair, roll it around like this, prop my feet up, and watch some TV, do some crocheting, read a book, whatever. I'm absolutely in love with this. And another reason I'm going to show you why. Not only is it an ottoman and a chair, but I can go down under here, pull it out, and you can just recline like this, or it also turns into a bed. I would just pull this out, pull that, and it pops up. There it goes. Now, you can either have it as a full bed like this, or I can recline it by lifting it all the way up and back. Now, it's a bed. If I have company come over or whatever, you know, it's just an extra space for sleeping. Or if I want to lay in here, that's my business, okay? But I am so in love with it. My husband liked it so much that he ordered one too. So it's a nice space keeper, but it's a nice piece of furniture as well. Also, for anyone else who has a YouTube channel, you are always trying to get different settings where you can film. So that's why I tried to create or keep that in mind in creating my space on different areas where I could film and have a different background, not always having the same exact thing and having different options. So yeah, like I said, I'm really enjoying my space, you guys. I plan on creating more content. I'm trying to go in a more of a niche mode now. I don't want to do that, y'all. I love talking about whatever I want to talk about. But that does not help you grow on YouTube. When you're trying to grow, you're going to have to niche down. And so I'm trying to decide my niche. So if you guys have any ideas on what you like seeing from me, please leave a comment down below, because I'm still in the searching section right now, trying to figure out what's going to be best. But yeah, if you can notice, I've been throwing out all kind of things, just filming all kind of things to see what I like to do as well as what other people like to see. So yeah, just leave me some comments down below, and I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I had so much fun filming this. I had so much fun creating everything and doing everything. And yeah, I'm in love with it, and I hope you guys like it as well. So if you like my content, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please like this video. Please comment. Yeah, it all helps us to grow. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care.
Never know, felt like this before.